throw him off the entire balcony? Okay. Dude, oh my god.
Identity is so community. That's why it's authenticity to make proud. In no way, shape, or form. My exist isn't for sale. And what's more pronounced than that? M and H genes. Be the change.
Hey bro, that girl looking at you, hey, just don't make it obvious, alright? Oh, anyways, bro, what I was saying about work was like it was hella hard last time, you know what I'm saying? Bro.
Okay, if you look outside my building right now, 100% there is a sorcerer in the grates beneath the street brewing like a classic potion to ensure that the queen never bears like a royal heir to the throne. There's no other explanation.
I need a white girl with a nose ring to tell me what planets are making me sad.
Oh, it's Earth. Same.
What the fuck do you do at an office job? Can somebody explain that to me? I have no idea what goes on.
I'm so glad you asked. We are consistently leveraging and empowering best practices in order to achieve intended outcomes. I know it can sound confusing because there are a lot of moving parts. So I'll give you some key takeaways. When we implement cross-functional workflows, it allows us to maximize our bandwidth. And it's not always easy. I mean, sometimes we have to trim the fat, move the needle, and circle back so that we're not constantly reinventing the wheel. You may need to piggyback or table a conversation to find that mission-critical silver bullet. And if it sounds like you're just drinking from a fire hose, let me explain that aha moment that truly can be a game changer. So when you're in a thought shower of blue sky thinking, you're allowing each other to pick your brain and ultimately developing that robust network to reach Q4 initiatives.
This device projects an image onto that wall, which then reflects light back onto my retina. With all this back and forth, can we simplify this process?
No, we cannot. This was a bad idea.
Oh my god, yes! I want to get a picture with it. Oh my god, these are like, I love them. They're the best fascists you'll ever see. They're like the best.
When does life begin?
When does life? Life begins at ejaculation.
No, life begins at erection.
Life begins at erection. Life begins at erection.
So when do we get
Here, wait,
rights?
here, tell them when life begins.
When do we get rights?
Life begins when you first find a letter from your true love in the 6th grade and you think, maybe she is the one. And you may never actually touch this woman, but a life has begun in your heart. And we have to protect that life.
When does life begin?
Life,
when do
life
begin? When do we get rights?
Life, oh, when do, yes.
Yeah, when do
this man right here, he is
when
right.
do we get rights?
He is, straight white Christian men are the most oppressed people in America. Oh my God, if you see a straight white man, please give them a hug. Please just give them a nice, hearty
So when
hug.
do we get rights?
What?
When do we get rights?
Yes, that is a great question.
Yeah,
when
you don't know.
do straight white men get rights? When do we do it? When does it end? Oh my God! Press! Oh my God! Oh.
Why are you oppressing him?
Stop it! Stop it, liberals!
To answer your question, we get right.
Did you see what Antifa just did?
Here's a cheap, eco-friendly way to control mosquitoes. We avoid mosquito fogging because it kills all insects, which is devastating to the biodiversity in your yard. So instead, fill a bucket with water and add a small amount of hay or straw. Then add a mosquito dunk, which are available at most hardware stores. Each of these covers up to 100 square feet of surface area, so for a bucket, you just need part of one. It uses a natural-born soil bacterium, which kills mosquito larvae, but is non-toxic to humans and other animals. Leave your bucket out in the sun to ferment. It'll attract the mosquitoes in the immediate area, and they'll lay their eggs, but the eggs won't hatch. Switch out your dunk every 30 days, and if you have a larger property, place several buckets around. Follow for more info on regenerating biodiversity.
Today is Vesak Day. Let's be compassionate to animals. What you want? You want a nut? Let me give you a nut. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, come on, don't bite my finger. So annoying. No, don't come in. Go out, go out. I give you the food outside. Go back out, go back out. Go. I'll give you the food. You wait. No. Go back. Go back. Ah. Go out. Out. Okay, bye-bye. I feel so much kinder now. So now, you know.
And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white girl.
Fuck, I'm gay.